So here I'm showing you how you can download the post anonymously from the site. So for that you have to go to acrosswp.com, then you can go to subscription, then this is the first plugin. Okay, and once you open this, it will going to take some time basically. Yeah, so it's open now. You can read about this plugin. Okay. When you click on download now, it will going to ask you to enter the email IDs and all details. Okay, and then you click on download now. Please enter your last name, so okay, and then I click on download now. So as soon as I click, we go to download. So you see the plugin got downloaded. Now I come to add new sections, allow people to select to upload, install, open, and click on install now. Once you click on that, it will going to get uploaded to your site, and once you click, it will going to get installed. So this is how you can install post anonymously plugin into your site. Let me know if you have any issues or any doubt on this. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.